Hey traders, welcome back. Today we're talking about something every new trader wants: getting started fast. We all know the struggle. Those prop firm challenges can feel like an eternity. But what if there was another way? That's where instant funding comes in. Let's face it, nobody enjoys waiting, especially when it comes to chasing those trading dreams. Who wants to spend weeks, or months, grinding through challenges when you could be putting your skills to the test right away? Instant funding lets you skip the line and jump straight into a funded account. But before we dive deeper, hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, if you're new to the trading world, definitely check out the links in the description for some awesome resources to get you started. Okay, back to instant funding. Let's break down exactly what it is and how it works. Now, I know what you might be thinking: is this instant funding model too good to be true? That's why I wanted to review instant funding. They're not just some fly-by-night operation. Here's the deal. They have a rock-solid reputation on Trustpilot with over 1,352 reviews and a stellar rating of 4.6+. Plus, they've been around for over 2.5 years, actively funding traders. That kind of experience speaks volumes. But what really sets instant funding apart? Let's break down the good stuff. Flexibility is king. No time limits or minimum trading days. That means you can trade at your own pace, no pressure. Fast and furious payouts, weekly payouts with up to a 90% profit split. Now that's how you keep your motivation high. Scale up your dreams. Want to grow your account? Instant funding lets you scale all the way up to a whopping $2.5 million. Less stress, more success. Imagine trading without the constant worry of daily drawdowns. That's the reality with their instant funding account and a 10% maximum drawdown. Modern platform, they use the powerful DXR platform, ensuring a smooth trading experience. Remember the recent drama with MetaTrader? Yeah, no worries here. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Well, next up, we'll dive deeper into the specific funding models offered by instant funding. Alright, let's talk tech. Instant funding uses the DXR platform, a powerful and modern option. They also have a mobile app coming soon for even more trading flexibility. Now, the real fun stuff, the funding models. Instant funding offers several options, but we'll start with the one-phase evaluation. Here's what you need to know. No time limits, trade at your own pace, no pressure to rush. High leverage, get 1 to 100 leverage to maximize your potential profits. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so trade wisely. Scalability, up to 100% of the starting balance. Smart drawdown, we'll talk about this more in a bit, but think of it as a safety net for your account. Daily drawdown 3%, max drawdown 6%. Profit targets and daily drawdowns, you'll have clear goals to reach and manageable risk parameters. Profit split, start at 80% and climb your way up to a juicy 90% based on performance. Account sizes, choose your challenge from 4 different options, ranging from $10,000 to a whopping $100,000. Refundable fees, that's right, the fees you pay for the evaluation are refundable. We'll cover the details in the FAQ section later. That's a lot to unpack. But don't worry, we'll break down each concept in more detail throughout the video. Next up, let's tackle this smart drawdown thing and see what it means for your trading journey. Alright, buckle up because we're about to dive into a concept called smart drawdown. It might sound fancy, but don't worry, we'll break it down simply. Imagine drawdown as a safety net for your account. It defines the maximum amount you can lose before the challenge is over. Now, most firms use a trailing drawdown, which means that safety net keeps shrinking as your profits grow. Sounds good, right? Well, not always. Let's say you make some early gains, but then the market throws a curveball. With trailing drawdown, your safety net gets smaller, putting more pressure on your trades. One bad move, and poof. Your challenge is over, even if you were overall profitable. That's not cool. Introducing Smart Drawdown, that's where instant funding Smart Drawdown comes in. Think of it as a more flexible safety net. It starts at -10% and stays there until you reach a sweet spot, a 5% profit on your account. Benefits of Smart Drawdown, here's the magic: once you hit that 5% profit, your drawdown limit automatically adjusts to a more comfortable -5% of your starting balance. This gives you more breathing room to trade freely without constantly worrying about your safety net shrinking. Key takeaways: basically, Smart Drawdown offers a safety net that adapts to your progress. Early on, it's a bit stricter, but as you prove your skills, it loosens up, giving you more freedom to trade. Pretty cool, huh? So, that's Smart Drawdown in a nutshell. In the next part of the video, we'll explore the two-phase evaluation model and see how it all fits together. Alright, we've covered the one-phase evaluation, but what if you're looking for a more structured approach? Instant Funding also offers a two-phase evaluation. Similarities and differences: just like the one-phase option, you get the same great features: no time limits, high leverage, scalability, and smart drawdown. Remember, that flexible safety net. However, with the two-phase model, your journey is broken down into clear steps. Phase 1 focuses on building your profit. You'll have a slightly lower profit target of 8% and a tighter daily drawdown limit of 5%. This helps you build a solid foundation. Once you conquer Phase 1, you move on to Phase 2. Here, the profit target gets even more achievable at 5%, and the daily drawdown remains at 5%. Basically, you're fine-tuning your skills and preparing for that funded account. Just like with the one-phase option, your profit split starts at 80% and can climb to a juicy 90% based on your performance. The account sizes and fees also remain the same, ranging from $10,000 to a whopping $100,000. So, whether you prefer a more streamlined approach, one phase, or a step-by-step journey, two-phase, Instant Funding has a model for you. Remember, we'll cover the details about refundable fees and other FAQs later on. Alright traders, buckle up. This is what you've been waiting for, the Instant Funding model. This is perfect for those of you who want to skip the evaluation steps and jump straight into a funded account. Forget about time limits or profit targets. With Instant Funding, you have the ultimate freedom to trade at your own pace. There's no pressure to chase profits, just pure trading exploration. Still want to maximize your potential? Instant Funding offers 1 to 100 leverage, allowing you to amplify your gains. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Plus, you can scale your account all the way up to a cool $1.28 million as your skills grow. We already talked about Smart Drawdown, that amazing flexible safety net. It starts at -10% and adjusts to -5% once you reach a 5% profit on your account. This gives you peace of mind while you trade. Here's a quick recap. No time limits, trade whenever you want, no rush. No profit targets, focus on strategy development without profit pressure. No daily drawdown limit, trade freely within the Smart Drawdown parameters. 1 to 100 leverage, maximize your potential gains. Remember, manage risk wisely. Account sizes, choose from a range of account sizes, starting from $1,250 and going up to $80,000. Fees, the cost for the Instant Funding model starts at $79 for the $1,250 account. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the cost. Since there's no evaluation, these Instant Funding accounts naturally come with a higher upfront price tag. It's essentially a risk mitigation strategy for the firm. Here's the breakdown. $1,250 account, $79. $2,500 account, $120. $5,000 account, $225. $10,000 account, $440. $20,000 account, $870. $40,000 account, $1,735. $80,000 account, $3,460. Remember, unlike the one-phase and two-phase models where fees are refundable upon passing the challenge, these Instant Funding fees are non-refundable. Now, let's talk about scaling your account. This is a cool feature that lets you leverage your profits to grow even bigger. Think snowball effect. Here's the catch. To be eligible for scaling, you need a minimum 10% gain. When you scale, 5% of your starting balance goes towards increasing your account size, while the remaining profit is yours to keep. Let's say you have a $100,000 account and make a 10% profit. You can scale to $200,000. However, 5% of that 10% gain, $5,000, goes into scaling, and the remaining $5,000 is your profit. It's a calculated risk/reward scenario that allows for faster account growth. So, there you have it. A comprehensive overview of Instant Funding. I made this video specifically for viewers who want to skip the evaluation and jump straight into a funded account. Did you find this helpful? What are your thoughts on Instant Funding? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and subscribe for more in-depth trading content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.